I always wonder how Amazon sellers win badges. For say, this is the best seller badge, this is an Amazon choice badge, this is new release badge, and like this, there are many such badges. The good part is, these badges help sellers massively increase their sales. You know why? Because the customers trust such badges. And here comes the question, how can I get such badges for my listings? This is what I'm gonna discuss today. This is Tajid from Ecomclips, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about Amazon's bestseller badge. Here I searched with coffee mugs. Now you can see these products are with the bestseller badge. Now it's obvious that the buyer will show more interest in this product because of these badges. Now, how to win this badge? Well, you need to make sure that your product falls into the right category. What Amazon does is look at all the products in a particular category. Then they pick the 100 products with the most sales and give those lucky items that the bestseller badge. So, it is important to select the right category for your product. Also, here you see there are two bestseller badge for coffee mug. Now, logically, there should be one bestseller for a coffee mug. And here the trick. If you check closely, there are different categories. Well, first one is in mug category and second one in the mug set category. So, make sure your product is filed under the most relevant and popular categories and subcategories. You want it to show up where your ideal customers are already looking and browsing. Next, boosting your organic sales number. Obviously, the more you sell, the more you have the chance to get bestseller badge. Here, look at the mug. This mug has sold more than 2000 units in last month. If we divide it by 30 days, this means 66 mugs were sold per day. Now, if you wanted to be the best seller in this category, then simply you need to sell more than this bestseller competitor. And to achieve that, you can do a few things like you need to make sure you have a better CTR, and for that, make sure your main image is properly optimized, your title has the main keywords, and your price is competitive. And then you did SEO properly, your graphical presentation are up to mark. When all these are okay, you expect some good result in your sales. Okay, after doing all of this, if you still do not get enough sales, then do PPC. The next part is reshape your pricing. As mentioned earlier, be competitive with your pricing. Having the right competitive price point is crucial for winning over buyers and making more sales. When you launch your products, you can keep your price lower than your competitors. Once you get more and more sales, then higher your price bit by bit. Next, focus on optimizing product listing. I mentioned earlier about keyword packed titles that get your product discovered easily when people search. Your descriptions also need to be keyword packed. You need to bring the eye engaging with mind-blowing product photos and videos. Again, look at the coffee mug here. These are the images. All are eye-catching, engaging, and informative as well. Well, engaging image helps you to boost your sales. Now, let's talk about another great badge you can earn, which is Amazon Choice Badge. Interestingly, this is the first badge that Amazon introduced, and all other badges come after it. Well, look at the Amazon page. Let's say you want laptop bags. You can see the badge. So, why you see this laptop bag has Amazon Choice Badge? This badge is keyword specific. That means this laptop bag that you are seeing on the screen have right now the most searched keywords packed in its title, description, and its bullet points as well. So, how you are going to optimize and upgrade your listing to get the choice badge? Well, there is no guaranteed method that can give you the Amazon choice badge. But I can share the best practice here. If you follow those suggestions, it definitely help you to get the choice badge. It might be tough but not impossible. I would suggest you to do the same thing as I mentioned earlier on the bestseller badge. That means doing proper SEO, as Amazon gives the seller choice badge based on the keyword search result. So, having the targeted keywords in your title, description, and the backend is a must to earn the badge. When people search the product based on keywords on the first page of search result, many competitors' product will show. So, how can you be the one that people will click on? Well, in that case, try to keep the title readable, design the main image in a way so that the customers click on it. Also, price your product competitively and try to get as many ratings and reviews as possible. If you follow this best practice, there is a good chance that you win the badge. But there is no guaranteed formula from Amazon. But following this practice only help you to do better and increase your chances of winning it. So, it is worth trying and giving your effort. There is another interesting badge that I would like to talk about, and that is the new seller release badge. What I like about the new release badge is that it is comparatively easy to get. You can get the badge by following some steps and rules, and having the badge can lead you to get bestseller on Amazon choice badge eventually. These badges are for the new product listing that sells quickly in the first few days after they're listed. You can have the Amazon new release badge for the first 90 days after you start selling your product. You can click here or you can go to all, then from here select the new release. You can see the products that are the number one new releases for the different categories. Now to get the badge, I would suggest you to follow these strategies I mentioned for the bestseller badge and Amazon choice badge. With that, try to win the customer's trust. Like, you can focus on getting more ratings and reviews. For that, do enroll in Amazon Vine. This will help you to get the initial ratings and reviews. Also, try to list your product in a lower price and then eventually increase it in weekly basis to your targeted price. These strategies will help you to win this badge. As mentioned earlier, winning this badge is easier compared with winning other badges. Another important badge is limited time deal badge. Simply select today's deal here. These are the product categories. And below that here you see the time deals of different products. Limited time deal or deal of the day badge show special offers that are only available for a shorter time. These deals are featured on Amazon's today's deal page, which get a lot of visitors. The deal of the day badge is orange and appears above the item's price. So, how to get this badge? To set up limited time deals on Amazon, first, log into Amazon Seller Central and go to advertising section. Check if your products meet the requirements for a deals campaign, such as being Prime eligible, having at least 3-star ratings, and being brand new. You can create either a 7-day deal which activates the limited time deal ribbon or a Amazon Lightning deal, a short-term offer lasting a few hours on the Amazon deals page. You can create both type of deals for the same product as long as they are scheduled for different days. Now, Prime badge. Well, let's search for coffee mugs. See the badge. These two also have bestseller badge on them. Okay, so Amazon Prime badge is like a VIP symbol for products on Amazon. It indicates that the product is eligible for special benefits offered by Amazon Prime. Well, these have some benefits. The Prime badge is like a top mark for sellers on Amazon. It tells shoppers your product gets super fast, free 2-day shipping through Prime. Another benefit would be the products with Amazon Prime badge receive high ranking in the search result rather than the non-Prime products. To get the Prime badge, first of all, you must qualify for their Seller Fulfilled Prime program and complete a trial period. During this trial, you will need to prove to Amazon that you can handle the Prime fulfillment. Once completed the trial period successfully, Amazon will automatically enroll you in the Seller Fulfilled Prime program. After that, any eligible products you list will have Prime badge for customers to see. Well, these are the important badge we have covered in this video. Besides that, there are a whole lot of badge out there on Amazon, such as Amazon Climate Pledge Friendly badge, extra savings, coupons and discount. The Climate Pledge Friendly badge highlights the products that meet environmental or sustainability requirements. It helps connect customers who care about the environment with business that share those values. To get this badge, your product must be certified one or more of Amazon's 18 sustainability certification partners, which can be assessed to receive this badge. Well, extra savings, coupons and discounts. When you offer a discount, your items will show with a orange ribbon label discount, or if you are a Prime member, it's green ribbon. Coupons and discounts are managed through Amazon Seller Central, just like deals. They are paid advertising units, and each time a customer uses your coupon, Amazon takes a fee. When creating a coupon, you can offer a percentage off or money off discount. Money off coupons seem simpler for customers, while percentage off coupons might feel like a better deal. To boost savings, you can add a coupon, extra savings and deal badge to your listing. Encourage customers to combine discounts. These are the badge that can help you to earn more profits. So, who is going to be the next Amazon Elite status holder collecting all the benefits? Which one of you is going to make it happen? The path is there, you just gotta walk it. Alright guys, let's quickly recap everything we covered about this powerful Amazon badge. We started by breaking down the king of them all, the best seller badge. Then there the prestigious Amazon Choice badge, that blue signal that tell customers this item is ideal for what you are searching for. And let's not forget the other big badge like Amazon New Release, limited time deals, Amazon Prime badge, etc. Basically, the more of this shiny badge you can earn and display across your listings, the more you elevate your brand in the eyes of Amazon's algorithm and buyers. That's all for today. We do have more resources like this. You can visit our website ecomclips.com, which has a lot of cool things you want to check out to make sure to level up your e-commerce strategy in 2024. And if you want some help, we are always here to help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we helped and have been managing thousands of bestseller products. You can get on a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we use these strategies along with 50 other wonderful strategies as well to level up your account. So check out all this resource or give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. So thanks for tuning in today. We will catch you in the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.